Okay, we are with Janice Luke, Deputy Mayor, popular figure in the Pakistani community, and she visited Pakistan. She know about the culture, people, and community of Pakistan. Janice, thank you. And how you describe your feeling about today, Pakistan Independence Day here? And you are part of the celebration, and you did a lot for the Pakistani community.
Yes, it's wonderful to be here for Pakistan Independence Day. This is one of, I think, the biggest celebrations we've had in Winnipeg, Pak Fest this year. We've usually done it at Jinnah Park, which I named for the community. But today we've got a big gathering. It's beautiful. I'm waiting for the food because the food is so good. My favorite food, well, it's all good because it's spicy. My favorite is the biryani. When I was in Pakistan, I went to Islamabad, Lahore, Abbottabad, the salt mines. But when I was in Lahore and I visited the Badshahi Mosque, it was magical. I felt like a little speck in time. It was beautiful.
So any message to Pakistani community?
I'm coming back to go up north. I just beautiful people, wonderful people.
Okay, thank you so much. I appreciate it. Okay, again, Pakistan.
Pakistan Zindabad!
Pakistan Zindabad. It's wonderful to be here at a celebration of Pakistan independence. We have a big and growing community here. I'm so very proud to represent. Everybody looks like they're having a great time. I look forward to meeting lots of people. And Pakistan Zindabad, Canada Zindabad.
So, few words about this celebration.
Sure. So, first of all, Assalamu Alaikum, Pakistan Zindabad, Happy Pakistan Independence Day, 79th anniversary. So, the celebration here today in Waverly, Bridgewater, is a celebration, obviously, of the Pakistan Independence Day community, bringing everyone together, food, music. We even have bagpipes you can hear in the background. Bagpipes are from Pakistan, but I guess we'll take it. We even have liberals here with us celebrating Pakistan Independence Day. So as a proud Canadian Pakistani family emigrated here, I was born in Canada. It gives me great honor to stand here as a Canadian celebrating Pakistan Independence Day.
Thank you. Any message to the community?
The community is, be proud of where you come from, but also be proud of where you are today, right? We are Canadian, we're here. We've got this beautiful country to give us and our kids and our families beautiful lives. So, alhamdulillah, enjoy Pakistan Independence Day, have lots of food, lots of samosas, lots of guantan.
What's your favorite food?
My favorite food is everything. Everything from Pakistan.
Food.
Favorite one would probably be some sort of karai dish. Would probably be it, or a saag. I love saag. Anyone that knows me knows I love saag.
Okay, thank you, Abhi.
Thank you.